Hello friends, welcome to our channel Connect Yourself, and today we are going to discuss a very important chapter, how to fix side by side configuration error in Windows 10. Friends, before starting this discussion, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, then subscribe now for our regular update. Friends, how to fix side by side configuration error in Windows 10. Side-by-side configuration error on Windows 10 appears when you make an attempt to install or update a software. It actually happens because of a conflict between the problematic program and files in the C++ runtime libraries. These C++ packages are the part of the operating system, and they also get updated when you install a third-party utility or Microsoft application. Fortunately, this troublesome is fixable easily using some tweaks at the reinstalling programs, running systems, file checkers, and so on. We are going to show you the fixes in order to resolve side-by-side configuration error in Windows 10 in the following discussion. Microsoft is trying to make Windows more resourceful, at the same time opt to prove the best operating system to the users. They are releasing updates at regular intervals, providing fixes for bugs. Usually even version of Windows 10 is vulnerable to side-by-side configuration error. However, in case of having this annoying error, you have possible fixes like following. Solution first. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages. Side-by-side configuration error in Windows 10 occurs mostly due to a dreadful Microsoft Visual C++ program file. Therefore, uninstalling and reinstalling this one might resolve the error efficiently. To do so, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Open Cortana search type apps and press enter. This straightaway launches applications and features settings page on the PC screen. Step 2. Now uninstall all the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable program one after another. To do so, select each one of them at a time and click uninstall. Carefully go through the list and ensure that no single Windows Visual C++ program is still left. Step 3. Once you are done with the uninstallation, head to the Microsoft Visual C++ download website. Step 4. Download all the program you have just uninstalled and then install them right away. Observe the instructions provided on the setup and lastly restart the computer. This solution should resolve the error, but unfortunately, if you continue to confront, follow the next resolution. Solution number 2. Performing system file check. Step 1. Type command in the Cortana box from taskbar with result appearing at the top. Put a right click on command prompt, desktop application and select run as administrator. Step 2. On the following black window, type or copy paste the given command and press enter. Command is sfc/scan now. Friends, the system will instantly start detecting the presence of corrupted as well as damaged files on the computer. According to the scan result, it will fix the dreadful files. Now check for the existence of error once again. If it persists, execute the following commandlet in the evaluated command prompt. This is the command. Step 3. Operating system will commence scanning the whole computer again. This process might take little longer. Be patient and wait for the scanning to end successfully. Once the scanning ends, the system will resolve the abnormalities automatically. Check once more if the error is there or not. If it shows up, follow the next method. Solution number 3. Reinstalling or repairing the dreadful software. Step 1. Launch the built-in setting program by opening a start menu. Use Win plus I hotkeys instead. Step 2. Among different categories, reach out to applications and click on it. Step 3. Applications and features sections opens up by default. Navigate to the dreadful program on the right side and click on it. Select uninstall and pursue the instructions on the screens with a view to finish the uninstallation process. Step 4. Use the repair option instead if available there. If you uninstalled the problematic program, visit the official website and download the latest update afresh. Install this on your computer following the instructions as shown on the setup dialog. Many of the users are thoroughly benefited using this workaround. Why the chance? If this solution becomes invalid in resolving the error, then go to the next method in order to bypass side-by-side configuration error in Windows 10. Solution number 4. Use updated installer. If the error occurs while installing software, it is possibly due to corruption in installation packages at the installer or the installer itself. Downloading an updated installer in the case might solve the problem. Remember, while downloading, you must visit the official website of the specific program and get the latest one. In the process, you will be able to avoid the error. If this method does not resolve side-by-side configuration error in Windows 10, you have to proceed to reset the operating system. Solution number 5. Resetting the operating system. The final option you have in your hand is to reset the system once all of the resolution go in vain. We usually don't recommend doing so. However, if the problem is uncontrollable and needs to reset the system, you must save a backup for all important files. Keep these in a safe place as reset will delete all files and programs. Step 1. Hit Windows logo plus I shortcut keys and open the setting application on the screen. Click on the update and security icon among different categories. Step 2. Go to the recovery selection on the left column of the next page. Then on its opposite side, click Get Started button below the section Reset this PC as indicated in the image below. Step 3. Once a pop-up opens with choose an option, select remove everything. This will consume some time to complete the resetting process. Have patience and wait till it ends. Step 4. Lastly, try to install the program that was making trouble and relaunch it. We can expect that the error will be resolved in this way. Side-by-side configuration error in Windows 10 is an extremely nagging issue that generally occurs while installing an application or updating it. It has created a huge buzz in the system as it has become a great obstacle in the successful walkway of the operating system. We have discussed the error and tried to cover all possible ways to resolve this error. Upon proper application, these have the capability to resolve the error smoothly.